not going to this Hall of Fame and win this honor by yourself. Larry, you you're just what a basketball player should be. The biggest reason that I'm here is because of you making me go to that gym every summer. Not only staying for 4 hours, but I figured I better stay for 6 because I knew you were there about 5 or 6 yourself. It was tremendous playing against you, and I'm just happy, and I thank God that I got to know you, not as just Larry Bird, the basketball player, but Larry Bird, the man. And I appreciate you coming out here.